How to create tags in TaxDome. Tags are 1, 2, or 3-word long color-coded labels for finding or grouping your client accounts, contacts, time entries, and tasks. They provide details about an item and make locating similar ones with the same tag easy. The simplest way to create a tag is to go to Templates on the left sidebar and select Tags. Here, you'll see the list of the tags you created for several types of clients. To create a tag, click the New Tag button, provide a name, and select a color. Once done, click the Save button, and there you go. You can also create tags throughout the system where you apply them. Let's suppose you need to add a tag to an existing client. Go to their profile and click the Info tab. Click Edit and press the Tab bar. Here, you will see a list of all your tags. Start looking for the one you need by typing a name. If the one you need hasn't been created yet, the system will allow you to create a new one. Press Create Tag and follow the same steps previously discussed. Now go back to the Tags bar and select the one you've just created. Once saved, you can see it here. Something similar happens when creating a new account from scratch. In the tag bar, type the name of the tag you're looking for. If there isn't one, follow the previous steps. Here, you can see the freshly minted tag. You can also create tags in a pipeline automation. Here, click the Add Conditions button. At the top, you'll see the New Tag button. Follow the steps, and there you have it.